treating these appetite-regulating network hormones. So there's a new product that's being brought out by Senesco called Plenus. So this is a satiety product that's really, really exciting because as of yet, sort of to date, there is not a whole lot that we could do for CCK or looking at leptin or looking at some of these other hormones and gut peptides that help with this sense of satiety for patients. And Plenus does that. So specifically, let's talk about the ingredients that are in Plenus. The first one's called Splendesta. Splendesta, this is a natural compound. It's made from a potato extract, and it is standardized to its active component, which is PI2, and promotes the release of CCK. So we remember CCK as being an appetite suppressant. So they've done clinical studies on Splendesta and have shown that it's very effective as a natural appetite suppressant. It also slows gastric emptying a little bit and reduces glucose and insulin levels in type 2 diabetes. So this would be a great component for a person's weight loss program. The other component of Plenus is called Similuma. Now this is a appetite suppressant from India, and it specifically inhibits fat synthesis. In the studies that were done on Similuma, they show statistically significant differences for the parameters of body weight, body mass index, waist circumference, hip circumference, body fat, blood pressure, and hunger levels. So it really helps people in all of these areas. They've seen great hip-to-waist reduction, and as we talked before, you know, we're looking at, for our gentlemen, we don't want their waists any greater than 40, and for women, any greater than 35. So they saw a really good reduction in waist circumference in people using the Similuma, and that they have also seen that it reduced leptin levels by 4.1% compared to an increase of 293 in placebo. So this really is showing that we're decreasing the body's leptin insensitivity. They also saw a reduction in the growth of fat cells, or sort of the precursors to fat cells, by 35% just through this one supplement alone. There's also garcitrin in Plenus, which is a potent inhibitor of the citric lyse in the Krebs cycle, which stimulates fat breakdown. So they've shown in double-blind placebo-controlled studies that it was statistically significant in reducing total body weight and body mass index, reducing body fat, increasing lean body mass, and actually increasing water in the individual, which for some people I think is good because many of us are so dehydrated, and reducing levels of appetite perception, so increasing satiety. And in the studies, it didn't show any subjective or objective side effects, so very safe to use.